Today, explore Biology Encyclopedia 30 Advanced Biology Series, Part 3. Introduction. Welcome to LSKSM Vlogs. Today, explore 30 advanced biology topics and discover advanced concepts, groundbreaking discoveries, innovative technologies, and fascinating developments shaping modern biology. Let's continue our educational journey into genetics, molecular biology, biotechnology, evolution, ecology, and other exciting areas of life science. (31) Genetics. Genetics is the study of genes, heredity, and variation in living organisms. It explains how traits are passed from parents to offspring and how genetic changes contribute to biological diversity and disease. (32) Molecular biology. Molecular biology explores the molecular mechanisms of life, especially DNA, RNA, and proteins. It explains how genetic information is stored, copied, expressed, and regulated inside cells. (33) Biochemistry. Biochemistry studies the chemical substances and reactions that occur within living organisms. It covers proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, enzymes, metabolism, and other molecules essential for life. (34) Microbiology. Microbiology is the study of microscopic organisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and microscopic algae. It examines their structure, reproduction, functions, and roles in health and the environment. (35) Biotechnology. Biotechnology applies biological knowledge and living systems to develop useful products and technologies. It has applications in medicine, agriculture, food production, industry, and environmental protection. (36) Immunology. Immunology is the study of the immune system and its defense mechanisms. It explains how the body recognizes and responds to pathogens, foreign substances, infections, and abnormal cells. (37) Human anatomy and physiology. Human anatomy and physiology studies the structure of the human body and how its organs and systems function. It explores everything from cells and tissues to the nervous, circulatory, respiratory, and digestive systems. (38) Neuroscience. Neuroscience investigates the brain, spinal cord, nerves, and nervous system. It explores how neurons communicate and how the nervous system controls movement, sensation, memory, learning, and behavior. (39) Developmental biology. Developmental biology studies how living organisms grow and develop from a single cell into complex organisms. It examines processes such as cell division, differentiation, tissue formation, and organ development. (40) Evolutionary biology. Evolutionary biology explores how living organisms change over generations and how species are related. It covers natural selection, adaptation, mutation, genetic variation, and the evolution of biodiversity. (41) Environmental biology. Environmental biology examines the relationships between living organisms and their surroundings. It studies ecosystems, habitats, biodiversity, pollution, climate impacts, and the effects of environmental change. (42) Marine biology. Marine biology focuses on organisms and ecosystems found in oceans, seas, and other marine environments. It explores marine plants, animals, microorganisms, coral reefs, deep-sea ecosystems, and ocean biodiversity. (43) Agricultural biology. Agricultural biology applies biological principles to farming, crops, livestock, and food production. It covers plant biology, soil organisms, crop improvement, pests, diseases, and sustainable agriculture. 44. Bioinformatics. Bioinformatics combines biology, computer science, mathematics, and data analysis to study biological information. It is widely used to analyze DNA sequences, genomes, proteins, and large biological datasets. 45. Synthetic biology. Synthetic biology combines biology and engineering to design or redesign biological systems. It enables scientists to create modified cells, biological circuits, and organisms with useful functions. 46. Systems biology. Systems biology studies living organisms as interconnected networks rather than as isolated components. It combines biology, mathematics, computing, and data analysis to understand complex biological systems. 47. Structural biology. Structural biology investigates the three-dimensional structures of biological molecules such as proteins, DNA, and RNA. Understanding molecular structures helps explain their functions and interactions. 48. Cell biology. Cell biology is the study of cells, the fundamental units of life. It examines cell structure, organelles, membranes, cell division, communication, metabolism, and interactions between cells. 49. Stem cell biology. Stem cell biology focuses on stem cells and their unique ability to self-renew and develop into different cell types. It has important applications in development, regenerative medicine, tissue repair, and research. 50. Cancer biology, oncology. Cancer biology studies the causes, development, progression, and molecular mechanisms of cancer. It examines abnormal cell growth, genetic mutations, tumor formation, metastasis, and potential treatments. 51. Virology. Virology is the study of viruses and their interactions with living cells. It explores viral structure, replication, transmission, evolution, diseases, and methods used to prevent and control viral infections. 52. Parasitology. Parasitology studies organisms that live on or inside other organisms and obtain resources from their hosts. It examines parasites, their life cycles, host interactions, diseases, and methods of control. 53. Mycology. Mycology is the scientific study of fungi, including mushrooms, yeasts, and molds. It explores fungal structure, reproduction, ecology, diseases, and their important roles in ecosystems and biotechnology. 54. Entomology. Entomology is the study of insects, one of the most diverse groups of animals on Earth. It covers insect anatomy, behavior, life cycles, classification, ecology, agriculture, and their relationships with humans. 55. Ornithology. Ornithology is the scientific study of birds and their biology. It examines bird anatomy, behavior, migration, reproduction, classification, ecology, and conservation. 56. Ichthyology. Ichthyology focuses on the study of fish and their biology. It covers fish anatomy, classification, behavior, reproduction, evolution, habitats, and their importance in aquatic ecosystems. 57. Primatology. Primatology studies primates, including monkeys, apes, and other closely related species. It explores their evolution, anatomy, behavior, intelligence, social structures, and relationships with humans. 58. Conservation biology. Conservation biology focuses on protecting biodiversity, species, habitats, and ecosystems. It addresses threats such as habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, invasive species, and species extinction. 59. Astrobiology. Astrobiology investigates the possibility and nature of life beyond Earth. It combines biology, astronomy, planetary science, chemistry, and geology to study the origins, evolution, and potential distribution of life in the universe. 60. Future biology. Future biology explores emerging ideas and technologies that may shape the future of biological science. It includes advanced genetics, synthetic biology, regenerative medicine, artificial life, biotechnology, and new approaches to understanding living systems. Conclusion. Thank you for joining LSKSM Vlogs for Biology Encyclopedia 30 Advanced Biology series. Part 3, and exploring the fascinating world of advanced biological science. We hope these topics have expanded your understanding of modern biology, its remarkable discoveries, and its real-world applications. Stay connected with LSKSM Vlogs as we continue our educational journey and explore more exciting biology encyclopedia topics and fascinating discoveries in Part 4. These videos are not only for the current generation. They are a humble effort to preserve knowledge, history, science, and human achievements for future generations. Thank you to everyone who supports and encourages this journey of building a digital library of learning for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the LSKSM Vlogs channel, like, comment, and share it to help pass on knowledge to future generations. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. G. Sobhanadri Rao, LSKSM Vlogs.